Hope you all are okay. My name is Rahul Mittal and today's video we will learn how to join more than two tables in MySQL Workbench using left join query. Friends, in my previous video we have learned that how to join two tables using left join, right join and full join concept. If you missed that video, then my suggestion is to watch that video first so that you can clear your join concept. Friends, in left join, as you can see in left join, it is very simple query to learn. That is, select table 1 dot column 1, table 1 dot column 2, table 2 dot column 1, table 2 dot column 2, similarly table 3 dot column 1, table 3 dot column 2 and so on. From table 1, left join table 2 on common column of table 1 equals to common column of table 2. Similarly, if you want to add more tables, then this query will run again left join table 3 on common column of table 1 equals to common column of table 3 and so on. Let's do it in a practical way. Friends, as you can see, I have created one schema of COVID-19 and inside that I have created four tables. My first table is state and union territory. My second table is year of establishment. My third table is corona cases and my fourth table is total death due to COVID-19. So we will open each table and let's see how the table looks like. So just click and I will open my first table. Select star from so with the help of this query I will open my first table. As you can see, my first table some columns are ID, state and union territory, symbol and capital. Friends, in each, okay, I am just opening my another all four tables. So what will I do? I will just copy the above command query and in the place of first table name I will just write second table name, year of establishment and run. This is my second table. Friends, in my first table you can see that there is a common ID, common column name, that is ID. Here I have provided ID1 is for specific state and union territory. As you can see, Andaman Nicobar is a union territory, so I have just provided the symbol UT and one ID is specific for Andaman Nicobar. Similarly, 2 for Andhra Pradesh, 3 for Arunachal and so on till 36 till West Bengal. So each ID defined their each state or union territory name. So in my second table, I have provided the year of establishment with the help of ID. So what is the connection? Connection is ID or relationship of ID from both the tables. Similarly, I will open my remaining two tables. My third table is corona cases. And I will run this. Here you can see ID and corona cases. ID is for each state. Similarly, my last table is for death. So this is the fourth table. So what will I do? You can observe that ID is common in my all the tables. If I open the third one, then you can see I have specified states using ID. So what will I do? I will join first table with second, then I will join first table with third, and after that I will join first table with fourth. This is the way we can join our more than two tables. So first, according to the query, as you can see, according to the query, select table 1 dot column 1, table 1 dot column 2, and so on. Similarly for table 2 and 3. So we will write that statement. Select table 1. My table 1 is this. Table 1 dot, what is my first column? That is ID, comma, table, here I will write table 1 dot, what is my second column name? Second column name is state and union territory, so it is in capital, state and union territory. My third column name, okay, what will I do? I just open my table 1. This is my table 1, so I will write accordingly. Then my third is my symbol, so I just write table 1 dot column 3, comma, table 1 dot column 4. Column 4 is capital. From, first I will add, here you can see I have added my first table with all the column names. Now I will add second table, comma, what is my second table? Okay, I will open it from here. This is my second table. This is my second table. So I am not using ID, I am just using year, because ID already display when I will run. So here I will provide my table 2 name. So I just copy table 2 name from here so that I can avoid spelling mistake. Table 2 dot column 2 directly, because I am not using column 1 here. So my column name is year. Now the next line, what will I do? I will write from. Here you can see I have completed this statement, select statement. Now I will go for from. So from my table 1. Table 1 is this. So I will specify schema name dot table name. COVID-19 dot table name. Now I will use left join. Left join. Which table I want to join? I want to join second table. So similarly I just copy the table name on common column of both the tables. Here left join on common column of table 1 equals to common column of table 2. So here what will I do? What is the common? Common is my ID. ID is common. So what will I do? I will just copy equals to dot ID. Now this command, what will give me the output? This will give me the output of table 1 left join table 2. So let's run it. As you can see, this is my first table till capital, and I added second table, that is year. Now what will I do? I will add my third table, that is corona cases. So here what will I do? I will just add one more table name dot column name. So I will just copy my table name to avoid spelling mistake. So table name dot column name is same in my just capital. Yeah. So I added third table with table name from my first table, left join, and as you can see here, if I want to add more tables, then left join table 3 on common column of table 1 equals to common column of table 3. So id is common in my all 4 tables. So I will use id command. So for left join, I have to write left join command again. So I just copy and paste it here. Left join table 1. Here I will write the table 3 name. Okay, sorry, control Z. Here I will write table 3 name, and my table 3 name is this. On table 1 comma table 3, common column of table 1 equals to common column of table 3. So now you will, when I will run here, you will see that corona cases will be add. So is there any error? No error. So what will I do? I will run this. Just select and run. As you can see, corona cases table added here. So next will be, what will I do? I will add the fourth column similarly. So I will just add my fourth table dot column name, and in left join I will use a same query. Left join of table 4. Left join of table 4. Table 4 is my table name, this one, and common column name. Now what will I do? If I will run this, here you will see that another column will be added of table 4. So no error displaying. So I will run the query. Here you can see that I have added another table here. So friend, this is the way you can add multiple tables in your query. So I have done this with left join. I just want to you can practice for right join and full join also. If you feel any issue, or if you face any issue, just you can contact me. I will definitely help you. So friends, hope this is an interesting video for you. If you think this is a useful video for you, then please like the video, share with your friends, and also subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Till then, keep practicing and have a great day. Thank you.